for His guidance, strength, and blessings. His presence has been a constant source of comfort and inspirations. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless support and encouragement. Your sacrifices and constant presence have been our pillars of strength. I am especially grateful to my own family, my father, Mr. Joel Sr. Peña. Bang, would you please stand up? Your guidance, support, and unwavering belief in me have been a driving force throughout my academic journey. Your words of wisdom, your encouragement during tough times, and your constant presence have meant the world to me. I just want to say that I'm truly grateful for having blessed of such a great father. My late mother, whose love and strength continue to inspire me from her place in heaven, and my siblings, Ate Joanna, Kuya Jo Marie, Ate Debbie, my little brother Jo Michael, and my cousin Norville. Your support has been invaluable. My deepest gratitude to our incredible teachers, especially Ma'am Irma, Ma'am Sigrid, Ma'am Michelle, Ma'am Chuy, Ma'am Paragas, Ma'am Angie, and Ma'am Zella. Your support, guidance, and wisdom have been the cornerstone of our success. A special thanks to Sir Christopher Probito, who encouraged me to push my boundaries and explore new horizons. The first person who extended his congratulatory greetings to me. A gesture that ignited a flame of confidence within me. His impact cannot be overstated, shaping not only my academic endeavors but also my character and aspirations. To my fellow completers, we celebrate not only our academic achievements but also the friendships, challenges, and growth we've experienced. We face exams, late-night studies, and balance school with personal life, making us stronger and wiser for the next chapter. To my classmates and friends, thank you for your support, your belief in me, and the memories you shared. As we stand on the threshold of a new beginning, let's carry forward the lessons we've learned here. Excellence is a continuous journey. It's about striving to be better versions of ourselves every day. Embracing challenges with courage and never shying away from hard work. This is the end of our junior high school life and the beginning of our senior high school journey. We have been given the tools to succeed. Now it is up to us to use them wisely. Let us dream big, work hard, and stay humble. Let us lead with integrity and make a difference. As we step into the future, let's do so with the confidence, prepared to face whatever comes our way. In conclusion, as we move up to the next stage of our lives, let's carry with us the pride of our accomplishments, the joy of our experiences, and the anticipation of future possibilities. Congratulations to us, grade 10 completers of batch 2023-2024. We did it because God did. Thank you very much.